Hey everybody, it's Michael here, and I am back to bring you another quick video talking about some more investing. Now, after I released my Apple video talking about the stock splitting, I actually started doing research to figure out what I'm going to be talking about next. While doing my research, I found a gem, and I want to make sure I tell you guys so that way nobody is left behind. Now, if you haven't heard, and this was actually dropped recent, like Tuesday, Elon with Tesla has announced that they're looking to do a 5-to-1 split with the Tesla stock. Now this means that the Tesla stock right now is about $1,500 a share. It's pretty expensive, and they want to drop it down to about $300 a share. Now, if you own any stock with Tesla, that's going to split it up. So if you own one share, you're going to end up with a total of 5, which means the company is going to distribute out 4 to you. That's going to help you grow your dividend through dividend growth. If you don't own any stock with Tesla, that's perfectly fine as well, because the entry-level fee has decreased $300 to get with the company, which is still expensive, but it's much more doable than $1,500. Now, I always want to tell people, and I want to say I missed it in the last video, but anytime you do a stock split, it's still the same company. It's still the same CEO. It's still the same employees. They still offer the same product, but what happens is it's a psychological shift, meaning that because you're getting a better pricing, a lot more people are willing to buy it because, for me, for example, I'm not going to spend $1,500 for one share. I would much rather buy that same share for $300 because it is a better price for me. Now, this is, like I said in the last video, this is going to stir up a lot more retail investors, short-term investors, people looking to buy 1 to 3 years, 1 to 5 years, because it is better pricing. Now, companies do this all the time because the investing has slowed down. Their stock prices actually, they deemed it too expensive. And Elon has said that multiple times, his stock price is too expensive. So this is going to drop the stock price, get more people to invest in the company, and this could actually potentially bring in billions of dollars to the company so they can have it for their capital. Now, in the comment section, I want to know what you think. For me, this is a must-have, a must-buy. But for you, is it a buy? Is this a skip? Is this a pass? Let me know what you guys think down below. Hey everybody, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, I want you to think about subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell notification. That just lets you know when I make a video. And in the comment section, I want to know what you think. Let me know if Tesla is a purchase or is it a pass down below.